Hi guys, how to create a Gamepass and please donate. Now, open your browser, go to the official Roblox website, log into your account, and click Create to open the creator dashboard. This is where the real money starts, so don't skip it. Inside the dashboard, click on Creations and select your primary experience or game. Picking the wrong game here is a common mistake, so double-check before moving on. Scroll down the left sidebar to the Monetization section. Click Passes, then click the Create Pass button. Upload an image, type a name for your pass, and click Create. Here is a pro tip. Use a bright, simple image because it sells way better. Click on the new pass you just created, go to its settings, turn on the Item for Sale toggle, enter your Robux price, and save the changes. Keep watching because the next step shows how to make it live in-game. Open the Please Donate game in Roblox. Walk up to an empty donation booth and press or hold the button to claim Edit Booth. Your new prices will appear automatically, but if they don't, wait a few seconds and rejoin the game. That's it! You are now selling passes in Please Donate.